Do you remember your first day? The feelings, the nerves, the excitement. In the blink of an eye, that first day turned into a week, a month, years. That time filled with bringing visions to life through hard work, dedication, innovation, and craftsmanship. Since 1975, Corbins hasn't just been an industrial electrical contractor. It has shaped communities, molded careers, and built legacies.
My first job here at Corbins was a receptionist.
I remember my interview with Bill Corbin.
Hired on with a temp company, and fortunately I was able to find Corbins.
I made a list of companies that I was going to go visit. So I went to Corbins Electric. I got there about 6 a.m. It was closed. There was nobody there. And then all of a sudden, the truck pulled up next to me, and an older man came out of the truck, and he knocked on my window. He's like, "Are you here for the job?" I'm like, no, what job? I'm just here to check out your company. He's like, "Yeah, get out. Come with me." And he's like, "So what are you looking for, right?" I told him I'm already a licensed journeyman. He said, "Excellent. This is what we pay for journeymans at your level." He's like, "Yeah, stand right by that wall." And he took a picture of me. And he's like, "Here's your badge." Okay. And then he gave me a hard hat and a vest, right? "I need you to be at this address tomorrow. Welcome to Corbins Electric." And I said, "Hey, you know what? I don't think I caught your name." "Oh, my name's Bill Corbin."
Bill was a very personable person. I think one of his favorite things he loved to do was to be the one to hand out the paychecks every Friday. I enjoyed that. That's one thing I liked about him, is that he would want to go around and meet everyone, shake their hand, hand them their check, and thank them for their service for that week.
Corbins came to me through one of my mentors. She's like, "Hey, I got an opening at Corbins." It kind of was in a warehouse field support role. And she's like, "Hey, I'd really love for you to come over here." My wife was pregnant with my daughter at the time. And I said, "Hey, part of when I come to Corbins, I'm going to take some time off when my daughter's born." Like, "Hey, yeah, no problem." And I took that week off unpaid. Well, Julie and the other members of that office, they all pitched in and helped get me paid for that week. So they donated their PTO and made sure I was paid. So right then and there, I was like, this is the place.
I was only 18 when I started. I've grown quite significantly, right? Like from being just this admin behind a desk answering phones to someone that now can collaborate, right? And share my ideas, and they actually go somewhere. Where before it was just kind of timid, didn't really say anything, and was kind of just I'll go with the flow. But now it's hey, my ideas are also important now, and I can share them and, make things happen.
There was some times when moving up in certain positions where sometimes I didn't believe in myself that I can take on that role, but I don't even second guess it now. I'm like, if the company's going to believe in me, right, then I need to believe in myself and I need to move forward. So like I said, just thank you for that. That means a lot to me.
Over the years, I've worked a lot of hours just to make sure that I can provide for my family. But it's also been rewarding to be able to see the growth and the things that I've contributed to.
Being from a small town in Mexico, I felt like I was always relegated to, I'm just going to be the warehouse guy. I'm going to drive a forklift, beep, beep, and that's all I got. I never thought that I would be a director of anything, and just in any moment, I feel like someone's going to tap me on the shoulder and be like, "Okay, it's over, man." When you're given the chance and opportunity, you either have a choice. Hey, am I gonna take this chance and opportunity, and I'm gonna show the company that I'm working for, or Corbins, or the leadership, or my mentor, am I gonna show them that they made the right decision?
For me, legacy is how many lives have you changed, right? When they mention your name is, "Oh yeah, I remember that guy helped me with this," right? Or he listened to me in this conversation, or he helped me grow this way, or he gave me that mentorship. I feel that I can go to any of the upper management or leaders and ask them a question, and I know they'll listen. So now you have to be that person, right?
I've had several mentors throughout my career here at Corbins. One that stands out and I'm very thankful for is Darren Johnson.
Darren Johnson.
Darren Johnson, I met him during orientation.
Darren Johnson stands out, right? He's always been that coach, right?
He's a very strong-minded person and willing to help others as well. Great friend and great mentor.
I didn't see Darren for probably, about 2 years, right? He went to the job site I was on, and I didn't have nothing to show what my name was, right? And then as he was walking in, he's like, "Mike Morphin, how are you?" And I'm like, the fact that he remembered my name was a really big deal to me, right? And it's just that when you hear something like that, it's like they do care about you as a person, and you're not just a number.
He taught me how to be disciplined. He taught me responsibility. He's probably the reason that I have the work ethic that I have.
I would say the last probably 5 years has been the most inspirational for me out of my tenure here, just seeing the changes in the new ownership and where the company's headed, what their initiatives are, and the trajectory that they're projecting for is just sky's the limit as far as anybody that's willing to come and do their job.
That makes me excited, right? To see where the company is going to go, 10 years from now, and the opportunities we're going to be given then, right?
I'm at this precipice again of growth and opportunity. It's reminiscent of when I first started with Corbins. I see that opportunity for people to better themselves and give them a better life.
My journey with this company has been, it's had its ups and downs. I've had some tragedy in my life, and if it wasn't for the environment and the people that I've worked with, it would have been even more difficult to deal with. It's my second home, and I just appreciate everybody that's helped me grow and develop to who I am now. I wouldn't change anything for the world.
For over half a century, we have been driven to adapt, achieve, and innovate while mastering our craft. As progress moves forward, the tools will change, the designs will evolve, but the spirit, our spirit, remains the same.
My name is Emilio Sandoval. I'm the area HSC director, and I've been with Corbins for 8 years.
My name is Mike Morphin. I'm a project superintendent, and I've been with Corbins for 14 years.
My name is Daisy Pena, safety and risk coordinator with Corbins, and I've been here 16 years.
My name is Victor Gallegos. My title is quality manager, and I've been here 24 years now.
My name's Tony Anderson, workforce development manager, and I've been with Corbins for 28 years.
My name is Brooke Gutierrez. This is my first day.